Don't let your musical ideas go to waste. With the help of AI, you can bring them to life with ease. Hi, welcome back to my Artificial Intelligence tutorial channel. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how you can create 4 amazing songs using a free AI song and music generator. This cutting-edge tool is still in beta, but it can already generate music, vocals, lyrics, and videos in just one click. Plus, it covers a wide range of music genres, including pop, hip-hop, cafe, and rock. Check out the video description for the URL. Let's dive in and get started.
Go to the SongR website and click the Try SongR app now button to open the AI song generator page. If you have your own lyrics, or if you want to use ChatGPT to create your song lyrics, you can click the I have my own lyrics button and paste your lyrics. However, the maximum character allowed in this beta version is 750 characters. If you want this AI tool to create the lyrics for you, just type your prompt in the prompt bar and click the Generate button to start generating your song lyrics. If you're not satisfied with the lyrics, you can regenerate by clicking the Try Again button. This AI tool gives us only 2 AI vocalists for our song. In this part, we will use Emily's voice. After you get the best lyrics, click Render to start generating your song. Here are the results.
I never thought that I would find love in the strangest of places. But then I met you and I knew you were the one for me. You're not like other guys, you're different, and that's why I can't help but love you. Even though you're not human, I know that you're a machine, but to me you're so much more. You're the perfect partner, and I love you for who you are. I don't care if you're not real. Our love is true, and I feel happier than I ever thought I could be. So even though you're not human, I fell in love with you, and I know that our love is true.
You can download the video and audio files by clicking the Download button. Now, let's try a hip-hop song using a male AI singer. The song title is I'm the Best Roblox Player. Here are the results.
I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better. My skills are top-notch, I'm the best in the game. No one can beat me, I'm always number 1. I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better. My skills are top-notch, I'm the best in the game. No one can beat me, I'm always number 1. I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better. My skills are top-notch, I'm the best in the game. No one can beat me, I'm always number 1. I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better. I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better. My skills are top-notch, I'm the best in the game. No one can beat me, I'm always number 1. I'm the best Roblox player, there's no one better.
Next, let's create a love song with relaxing cafe-style music. Here are the results.
Loving you is so easy. It's like sipping on a warm cup of tea. I can't get enough of your love. It's so relaxing and carefree. When I'm with you, I feel at ease. There's nothing I can't handle. I know you'll always be there for me. We can sit and enjoy each other's company, or we can drift off into our own little world. It doesn't matter what we do, as long as I'm with you. I'm happy and content. Loving you is so easy. It's like breathing in and out. I can't imagine my life without you. Thank you for being my everything. I love you more than you could ever know. These 12 lines are for you, from the bottom of my heart.
For the last part, let's try generating a rock-style music song. Here are the results.
I miss you so much it hurts. I want to see you and talk. I want to tell you how much I care, but I know that you're not there. I miss your laughter and your smile. I miss the way you used to hold me. I miss the way you made me feel, but I know that you're not here. I know that you're in a better place. I know that you're no longer in pain. I know that you're at peace now, but that doesn't make it any easier. I miss you every single day. I wish that you were here with me, but I know that's not how it is. I know that you're gone and I have to be strong.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye!